There are two type of solids. Yes. How they can classify? I told you simply so you can remember for the longer time. Now we know that in solid there is atom, molecule or ions, and the arrangement of these are very important, and this arrangement can decide. There are two type of the solid. First type is called as a crystalline solid. Called as a crystalline solid where there is a definite arrangement of the atom, molecule, ions of that solid. Definite arrangement, definite structure. They are not randomly arranged. They are not randomly arranged, but they have the definite structure. For example, metals, salt, NaCl, ice, they are the crystalline solid. Second type is non-crystalline amorphous solid, in which atom, molecule or ions of that solid they not have the definite structure or definite arrange. They are randomly arranged. They are randomly scattered in that solid. So there is a random arrangement in the amorphous or non-crystalline solid, while there is a definite structure and arrangement in the crystalline solid. The example of non-crystalline solid are rubber, glass, plastic. So the arrangement of the atom, molecule or ions of that solid decide whether the solid is crystalline or amorphous. Share this simple information to the maximum students. Share. Thanks.